Imagine waking up one morning and realizing you hold the keys to the apocalypse. In 1991, as the Soviet Union collapsed into dust, Ukraine didn't just inherit independence, it inherited the power to destroy the world. Overnight, Kiev became the commander of the third largest nuclear arsenal on the planet. We are talking about a stockpile that dwarfed the arsenals of China, France, and the United Kingdom combined. 1,700 nuclear warheads, 176 intercontinental ballistic missiles, 33 heavy strategic bombers, each capable of striking anywhere in the United States or Europe. For a brief moment in history, Ukraine was a superpower. But having that power meant being a target. Both Washington and Moscow shared a singular fear. They did not want a new nuclear player on the global chessboard. Immediately, the pressure began. They offered Ukraine a deal that sounded like the dawn of a new, peaceful era. They said, "Give up the weapons, and we will ensure your safety forever." It was a seductively simple trade, metal for ink. In 1994, in the grand halls of Budapest, the deal was sealed. The Budapest Memorandum was signed by Russia, the United States, and the United Kingdom. The text was explicit. It obligated these great powers to respect Ukraine's independence, sovereignty, and existing borders. It forbade the use of force or economic coercion. Believing in this new world order, Ukraine did what no nation had ever done. They opened the silos. They dismantled the rockets. In a gesture of supreme hope, U.S. Defense Secretary William Perry and Russian Defense Minister Pavel Grachev stood side by side with Ukrainian officials in Pervomaisk, planting sunflowers, symbols of peace, on the very soil where nuclear missiles once waited to launch. It was a beautiful moment, and it was also a fatal calculation. Fast forward to February 2022. The sunflowers are gone, crushed under the treads of Russian tanks. The very good neighbor that signed a document promising to respect Ukraine's borders launched a full-scale invasion to erase them. The nuclear shield that could have guaranteed immunity was gone, traded away years ago. And what of the other signatories? As Kiev faced annihilation, a harsh linguistic reality emerged from the archives. Ukraine discovered that in the world of high-stakes diplomacy, words matter more than intent. The English version of the memorandum used the word assurances, not guarantees. To a layman, they sound the same. To a diplomat, the difference is the line between life and death. The West sends weapons, money, and aid. Support that is vital and appreciated. But the skies over Ukraine remain open to Russian missiles. There is no NATO shield, no American troops. The tragedy of the Budapest Memorandum is not just about Ukraine. It is a warning to the entire world. It proved that in the ruthless arena of geopolitics, moral high ground offers no protection against ballistic missiles. Ukraine exchanged its ultimate survival insurance for a piece of paper, only to learn the hardest lesson of the 21st century. Trust is a luxury, but strength is a necessity.